How to relieve ear pressure from sinus infection. A sinus infection can bring about many discomforts. Among them is the accumulation of ear pressure. While this may not be a very serious condition, it could cause great discomfort and sometimes even pain. In many cases, ear pressure also affects hearing. Good thing there are methods for how to relieve ear pressure from sinus infection without the use of medication. Valsalva maneuver. Although it sounds quite complex, the Valsalva maneuver involves exhaling forcefully while holding the nose and mouth closed. While this is typically used as a practical test to diagnose issues with an autonomic nervous system, it is also a simple way to release the pressure in your ears. This is not something that should cause you any pain. If in your attempt you find that it's painful, stop and try another method. Yawning. If you can induce a yawn, this might help you relieve pressure in your ear. Yawning helps air flow out from the middle ear to the throat. Consequently, this relieves the ear from pressure. Chewing gum. Like yawning, chewing gum might help release pressure from the middle ear through the throat. The movement of the jaw while chewing should help air escape and relieve your ears from pressure. Swallowing with closed nose. People can restore normal ear pressure by simply holding their nose closed and then swallowing. The effect is like the Valsalva maneuver, but is done more gently. Neck rotation exercises. Certain neck movements may offer the benefit of reducing pressure in the ear canal. Among them are neck rotation exercises. On a chair, sit up straight with your feet firmly planted on the ground. Rotate your head so you're facing right. Go as far to the side as you can. Slowly return to your starting position. Do the same for the other side. This is safe enough to do as many times as you want. However, if your neck is getting fatigued and you still don't have any relief, try another method. Lymphatic drainage massage. There are many ways to perform a lymphatic drainage massage, but here's the best one to relieve ear pressure. On a mat or a bed, lie down on one side. Make sure the ear that needs relief is at the top. If both ears need relief, you can do this one side at a time. Hold your index and middle finger together and press on the area below your ear and behind your jawbone. Keeping constant pressure, slide your fingers down to your neck. Repeat up to 10 times per side. If it's due to a sinus infection, the feeling of fullness in your ear will disappear once you've treated the infection itself. However, because it can get irritating, uncomfortable, or even painful, you might benefit from releasing that pressure early on. Follow any of these methods for how to relieve ear pressure from sinus infection and see which ones work for you. If after trying these you're still feeling ear discomfort, make sure you go and see your doctor. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.